Good morning, mommy.
Morning.
Mommy's making roti, guys. Roti for breakfast. Roti and red tea, black tea. And this is pumpkin. Pumpkin for lunch. Myren in Manipuri. And Papa is watching monkeys. Roti inside Air Force entering and becoming round. Nice.
For you, rupees. Bring your cup.
Guys, I got a call from Melody. Oi, call. मैं तो ठीक ही छू बड़े लोग कहाँ हो अभी
We are in Bombay now.
Okay.
Where is Sanjay and Suraj?
Here.
Uthu. Hi, everything.
Alright then, hope to meet you again soon.
Chalo. See you soon. Take care.
Bye bye. So that was Melody. So if you know her, comment down below. Now we'll make kala zubi, the black coconut. We'll cut this in pieces and then we'll fry it and we'll roast it or dry fry. These are the coconuts. And this is the pan. Let's go. Kala zubi.
Much later.
Check this out, guys! Hey! My brothers and Prasan, they are watching fried chicken ready. Grandpa's kitchen. And their mouth is watering.
Grandpa's chicken. Prasan is going home.
Prasan is going home. Okay.
Fried chicken ready. Onions.
A few moments later. Mommy,
Yeah.
what are we making?
I'm going to make egg paratha.
Egg paratha.
Yeah.
Okay, so mommy is going to make egg paratha. And here's the dough. Ta-da! Let's eat egg paratha, guys.
The weather is very lazy, sleepy.
The weather is lazy, guys. These are small onions. In comparison, this is my thumb. So these are the eggs. Guys, if you don't know eggs, this is egg. Egg is very expensive, so you might not know egg. Okay. Sanjay came with a brand new t-shirt, guys.
I stole from Suraj.
He stole from Suraj. Sanjay, it's your turn to prepare chai. Sanjay, the chai wala, guys. Mom, how old is this frying pan?
3.
2003. Wow! It's 19 years now. Guys, some of you are younger than this frying pan, so call him Brother Pan.
Uncle Pan.
Oh, okay. Uncle Pan. That short cinematic shot was edited and filmed by Sanjay, the lazy dirty boy. Now he is editing. The one which you already saw is being edited right now. Yay! Mom, ready?
Yes.
Alright, so this is all ready. Looks yummy. So this is the aloo paratha. Oh, no. Not aloo paratha. Egg paratha with tomato ki chutney. Parota.
Egg parota.
Suraj the toothbrush boy. Mommy is eating with fork, guys. Nice.
Oppi.
Now mommy is eating with hands.
Hand is the best.
Without hand, there is no breast.
Okay, so it tastes much better with hands. So this is how you eat this, and then. Oppi. If you can make it home. Awesome. Ding. Oh guys, let me show you Mr. Prashant. Mr. Prashant is right there wearing red. And now we are going to BSF gate because one of our friends, wait a minute. Hello.
Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe. Those are my fans, my small fans. So we're going to BSF gate because one of our friends sang said his laptop is not working, and he has some doubt whether the laptop is not working or the charger. So I've got a charger, so we'll go and see the problem, guys. Let's go. Alright, so we are at BSF gate now, and that's the store of Sasang, PH Enterprise. Sasang, what's up, bro? Here's the charger.
Thanks, bro. Let me have a try.
Yeah, alright, so let's see if it works. Please work. No response.
James is trying to fix.
Let's see.
Let's
What
see
is the
if he
problem?
fixes.
The wire fell off. Please work. No, it's not glowing. It should glow green.
It should glow orange.
Oh yeah, first green and then orange. So guys, unfortunately the problem was with the laptop, so he will need to go and have it fixed. Sad life, because it was not yet long ago that he bought the laptop and he was very excited. He came to our house yesterday night to get the softwares, and this morning it's already dead. Khatam. Tomorrow Abhishek will shift to Koirenge in that colorful house, so we'll go and help them. So it's gonna be an amazing day for tomorrow. Suraj is trying to keep the car inside. Oh, that's the most dangerous dog of our Laikai. Suraj the parking boy. Kneel lang khalla chan reverse and full. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Enough. Stop. Stop. And tomorrow Abhishek will shift in this house. Yay! The cartoon house. There is Mr. Prasan. Sanjay is making unnecessary noise. And this is all because of the truck, guys. The truck entered our house and this happened. And Mr. Prasan is tired and all sweaty boy.
Cock and zing happening.
His cock is zing happening, guys. Oh, I mean his head. Yeah, boy. What happened to your ass, bro?
Zing.
Zing.
Pakalaya gusto. Takti dira jibla.
Go and sleep. You are tired, exhausted.
I'm hot.
Prasan is hot, guys. Go home, Prasan. Go home, Prasan. Bye-bye. Go home, Prasan. Horo.
Yeah, papi. Inting yan idon.
Okay. Gorilla walk. 4 leg, run, go. Gorilla. The real gorilla, guys.
Let me try this.
Okay.
It's not comfortable with the slipper.
Ah.
And without slipper, I won't be able to do. There are
Gravel.
pebbles.
Not pebbles, those are gravels.
Pebbles.
What's the difference between pebbles and pebbles?
You find pebble in the river. And they're bigger than that.
These are also from the river.
They are very small, they're gravel.
I'm going home.
Horo. Bye-bye, Horo.
Inting yan idon.
Thank you so much for watching the car parking. You guys are awesome. Now we'll catch you up tomorrow. Bye-bye.